guys, so I'm back and it is time to unbox our February Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So let's go ahead and dive on in. I did go ahead and cut this just to make all of our lives easier. It doesn't really make your life all that much easier, I suppose. It mostly just makes my life easier. But I digress. So let's go ahead and look at the card. This month's theme is Feel the Love, which shocking, Valentine's Day is this month. So, you know, there's that. And there's a little card. Oh, save the date. Love at first click. Keep those lovey-dovey vibes going by choosing your favorite product on choice day. Okay. I feel like normally this card has your products on it, but it doesn't unless there's a second card hiding in here somewhere. So if I find it, I'll let you know. Otherwise, let's go ahead and start looking at our products. The first product is by Wonder Beauty. This is actually the product I chose. I was actually really excited when Ipsy gave us the option of doing foundation this month because I feel like that is the type of product that they very rarely do. Oh, who came? I'm a public speaker. I was about to say, look who came to join us. It's Sophie. Meow. She found the Christmas tree. I never put the Christmas tree away. I just moved it to a different room because I couldn't deprive my sweet darling child of the Christmas tree. Anyways, back to Wonder Beauty foundation. Let's go ahead and try to do, I want to see what the color looks like and whether or not, or if I can get a good, oh, okay, so that's interesting. I think that's a wand. Oh, look at that. That is really cool. So I was a little hesitant on whether or not I'd be able to get the right shade. If you hear that, that's my child chewing on the Christmas tree. Anyways, I do like that shade. I like the feel of it. I'm very excited about this. Good job, Ipsy. For the next product, it is an, I don't even remember. Oh, it's an eyeliner, I believe, by Il Maquillage. They call it an ink liner, so I'm guessing that means eyeliner. Let's take a look at this. Oh, look at that wand. Look at that wand. That's nice. Oh, that's, this reminds me of those markers we used to get growing up that were like paintbrush markers. It's like that, except in an eyeliner. So that's pretty exciting, especially since I just used up my last one. For the next product, it is an eyeshadow palette. It's an eyeshadow palette by Dominique Cosmetics. This isn't a company I've ever heard of before, but again, that doesn't necessarily mean anything. There you go. I do kind of like, there's like that like cable sweater pattern going on the box there. That's kind of cute, it's different. And it has, I feel like a lot of like sweater type colors right now, if that makes sense. I feel like a lot of the sweaters I've been seeing have been like those big block print sweaters. So it's almost like they made a palette version of that. I see what you did there. It's probably what they wanted me to think with, you know, the sweater print on it. But either way, it's pretty cute. The next product is a lip color by Balm Argent. I have no idea how to pronounce this. I'm just guessing it's French. It's actually made in San Francisco, so yeah. Anyways, so it is a lip color in the shade 3 Plays. I have to get it out of its little box. Oh, that's fun. That is a different type of lipstick case. And then this is the shade. Oh, I really like that. I was actually kind of hoping the lippy I got last month would be more this shade. And this is what it looks like swatched. That's pretty. I see that as a really good like everyday lip color. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, that's cool. Oh. Anyway, very happy about that product. And then I believe this might be my last product. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is my last product. It is a set of 3 sheet masks by Sweet Chef. One is ginger and vitamin C. The next one is Beet and Vitamin A. And the last one is Kale and Vitamin B. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I always love myself a sheet mask. As they say, a sheet mask a day keeps the wrinkles away. And yeah, I guess they never really sent, I mean, they sent a card, it just doesn't have my products on it, unlike they normally would, or like they've been doing in the past, I guess is what I'm trying to say, if I could only speak today. Anyways, here's what the bag looks like. I'm just kind of whatever about the bag. It's plain, it's pink, I get it, it's February, great. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider doing the YouTube things like the thumbs up button, subscribing, leaving a comment, and all that jazz. And hope to see y'all soon. JK. I forgot that I also like to go over my products from the previous month and tell you guys whether or not I ended up using them, if I kind of got any sort of utility out of them. And I actually tried to use as many as I could in this makeup look today, which is why I feel like I don't quite did my makeup super well. I'm not super thrilled with this look, but I also just have really big bags under my eyes lately because it's been really busy and stressful at work lately. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive on in. The first product I got in my January bag, sorry, technical issue. The first product I got in my January bag was this makeup or eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, Amethyst Obsessions. I tried to like use this. I could not, I'm just not that good at makeup, I guess. I don't know, or maybe it's just not my color or not my look or not my thing. I like that I have it as an option if I do need any sort of amethyst related colors for whatever look I'm trying to achieve, but it's just not something that it is in my normal, comfortable makeup zone, if that makes sense. For the next product, we have a lippy from Nature's Cartel that's actually on my lips right now. I thought it was going to be a lot darker, but it's actually really sheer, and I put like a ton of layers on this. So I would say this is almost more like a tinted lip, or not lip gloss, but lip balm than a lipstick. Man, it's just not quite the color that I thought it was going to be. But I also enjoy it, and it's kind of nice for kind of keeping things kind of more on the informal level. That way I feel like, oh, I want to wear lipstick today, but I don't know if you guys are like this. As soon as I put on lipstick, I feel like I'm super formal and I like can't go anywhere unless it's like a night out. But if I like try to go to Walmart like this, people like give me a little, anyway, it's a whole thing that I have in my head. So anyway, I do like this. A little disappointed, but I do like it, and I ended up using it. Next, what? Meow? No talk? Okay. Anyways, the next product was this Noor Skin Meditation Gel Cream. I've been using it as a moisturizer, and I enjoy it. I haven't had any sort of skin reactions to that, so I'm happy with that. And then the last product was actually the $1 Billion Brows Kit. So it came with the brush, with the pencil that are on this one, and oh, this is not the last product actually. It came with a concealer and a highlighter, and it also came with a brow gel and a brush over there that I forgot to bring over to this video. So I almost never do my brows because I feel like my brows are naturally really bold and don't really need any help standing out. So I also feel like my brow, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of this makeup look I did for this video today. But either way, I wanted to try this out, show you guys how I felt about it. I don't hate my brows. I actually think my brows look really great. I just feel like they are so bold and I'm not used to that. And I know it's kind of in right now. But again, I ain't mad, I enjoy it. And then lastly, we have an eyeliner from Pop Sugar. So I did really enjoy the wand. It's a nice little micro wand from what you can tell. My beef with it is I've only used this like 4 times and it's already running out, which I had this issue with the last eyeliner Ipsy sent me, and I hope this doesn't become a trend. Like I really hope this Il Makiage eyeliner they sent me isn't going to be like drying out within like a bunch or a couple of uses, because otherwise I'm gonna be a little upset with Ipsy there. But other than that, thanks so much for watching, and if you liked my video, consider subscribing, doing all the things, whatnot. See y'all soon.